Do you know clinical rotation is an important component of US residency match process? The American faculty LORs which you get out of rotations play a vital role for your selection as an IMG into a residency program. So here are three ways where you can get an opportunity to do a clinical rotation. First is the AAMC elective compendium. This has a list of hospitals which offer rotations. You can filter it by IMG eligible or not and write to individual hospitals. Second option is the AAMC observership listing, which talks about various agencies as well as rotation providers and hospitals where you can apply for the clinical rotation. And third, the most tiring but most rewarding is the entire FRIDA USMLE master database of residency and fellowship programs. Students having patience have actually returned to all the 620 hospitals of medicine and have got opportunities of rotation research by individually emailing to the program. This is a very interesting way and makes your profile unique. Remember, getting a rotations via agency is easy, but if you can buy that rotation, so can anyone else. Your profile does not look like unique. So if you want to build a unique profile, the best way is to write individually to the universities and seek opportunities specific to a departmental faculty, foreign observership, sub-internship. Any further support required in this process, reach out to the MOKSH Academy team. Watch videos available on the MOKSH Academy networking platforms and channels, and do follow us for such informative content.